You hear that turbo spooling up? Big shout out to Juarez police because they let me do a little speeding on the highway headed back home. What's good, everybody, man? I ain't had no night content for y'all, man, so here you go. Currently I'm in 4th gear, man, leaving the area, headed back home. Car is fun as hell, man. This K24 is healthy, and luckily we have no lights, no engine lights. Got that SRS light, but that ain't shit. Car's riding smooth, y'all. Give y'all a few pulls here in a minute. Let's downshift into 3rd. Learning how to, drive and downshift and film and downshift and film. Yeah. Now I kind of see how your boy Fresh Kicks and that guy Marin, Nico, and shit, all the car vloggers, man, who be killing it with that one hand and they be stick shifting. Fresh Kicks in the 350Z and Marin in the GT500 and the Corvette, man. Them boys be killing it. They got way more horsepower than what I'm pushing right now. But big props to y'all, man. It's tough to film, focus on driving, and upshift and downshift. See, I could probably go down to 2nd. Oh yeah. Woohoo! 2nd, boy. Damn, they doing construction everywhere, bro. Look at this. Everywhere. I heard that skirt in 2nd. 1st and 2nd, man. You punch this bad baby, that mug's spinning. That's how crazy the torque is. I haven't tried 3rd gear, but 1st and 2nd gear, you are spinning with a stock K24. Go. Wake your ass up, play ball. I don't even like honking at people because honking can definitely get you killed, but their ass was definitely asleep at that red light. I love playing around in 2nd, y'all. 2nd is like this. Second, boy. Oh, let me give y'all a little action around this corner, though. Ooh, nice 350Z, though. All right, let's see what we got here. Let me actually roll the windows down. Windows down, you guys. Second, I told you. And that's what the K24 loves, to be hot. You see those revs? The K24 loves to be revved high like that, man. Believe it or not. It loves that shit. Uh-oh. There go them boys. What the hell happened over there? Hope didn't nobody slip and fall on the skates delivering some damn toasters or some shit. I pray y'all are okay. Got a blast. Woo-hoo. Smug fun, y'all. Like no joke, bro. No joke. Hella fun, y'all. Hella fun. Get a K24. Get a K24. Hella fun, boy. Alright. Turn my ass around before somebody called them boys on me. Y'all hear that, man? Y'all hear that Mugen exhaust? Wait till y'all hear that turbo when I let go of that gas. Little neighborhood riding, little neighborhood cruise. I will not tell y'all what time it is. Just know it's an appropriate time to do late night cruises, you know. All right, turn there. Left, right. First gear. I'm glad they gave a boy a warning, like street hump ahead. Like, I appreciate that. I appreciate the warning. Boy. Damn, now I'm lost. I am seriously lost. Let's see, maybe this way. Y'all hear them high revs? I'm at 4, look, 4,000. It wants to go. You could hear it. You could hear it. It wants to go. I'll give y'all a little pull right here. Let me get in second. Boy, 0 to 60 and shit, very fast. All right, man, enough playtime. Take my ass home. You guys definitely remember that all this content is filmed in not Mexico, Juarez, Mexico. So definitely don't try this in your normal streets. There's the police. Your boy's getting lit up. Your boy's getting lit up. Oh yeah, D Black, take your ass home. You having enough fun, D Black? doing 35 and that mug is spinning in 35. It's spinning at 35, bro. Whoa. Got that torquey torque. That torquey torque. Bro. And then here's the V8 truck. And I got a full tank of gas, y'all. Full tank of gas, and I'm just late night cruising. Late night cruising. Of course, these are the streets of Juarez, man. So you could do this type of stuff over there. Really, they just want you to, you know, if you do get pulled over by Juarez police in Mexico, where I'm from right now, really all they want is money, and they'll let you go. So that's pretty much what I do. Have my fun, and then yeah, if I do get pulled over, just give them a little money, and they go on about their business. They just about their money. You hear that turbo spooling up? All right, you guys, I am back home, and believe it or not, I just got from Juarez back home within about 8 minutes, man. So big shout out to Juarez police, because they let me do a little speeding on the highway headed back home, and now I'm back home. So yeah, big shout out to y'all. Thank God for my garage, man. I'm truly blessed to have that garage, for real. Shut, please. Don't want to get carbon dioxide poison. That is a true thing. Everybody, I'm back in the crib. The night is over. The night is young. But hey, Juarez, Mexico, tonight was lit. I was by myself solo, man. I was having fun. Crazy thing is, I had all this footage was from my phone. And I apologize to y'all again. But let me show y'all, I do got the GoPro. I've been had the GoPro, but I was looking for that mother. I actually lost it. But found my GoPro, got the mic hooked up. Everything's ready. Head strap. Really just need to charge it up. I have like 5 damn batteries. One is in it, but I gotta find the other ones. What I'm gonna do is charge up the one I have currently, and then yeah, get y'all some good footage. With one battery with a GoPro, you could at least go for, you could go for an hour, you could go for 3 hours. It just depends on how much you record. If you just let it go, you could get a good hour in, depending on if it's 4K, and it just varies, man. But like, I got the GoPro, and next video should be a better POV. I know I told y'all that the last time I did a POV, or whatever the hell you want to call that. But this was like a little night version of the K24. You know, little small sound clips, and just, you know, a feel of the engine, man. Fun ass car to drive, man. I let my boy Eric ride in it today. I didn't let him drive, but he rode in it, and I wish I had him here so he could explain his reaction, because he drove it when it was stock, and he rode in it when it was stock. And he rode in my car today, and he was like, damn, he was like, that mug pull, bro. He was like, this got them jets on it. He was like, he got them jets, bro. Like, it pulls. And I was like, yeah. I was like, imagine 40 extra horsepower with just swapping the engine. I said, I don't got no bolt-ons. Well, I do got bolt-ons, but, you know, imagine if I did bolt-ons with the A3 engine. And I didn't. I just swapped the motor, and it's equivalent to doing bolt-ons. And that's what I highly suggest for y'all to do, and listen, do your research, and take it from me, man. I'm new to this K-Series shit, and like I said, I highly recommend it. Like, the K20 A3 was lit, but this K24 A2 is a whole nother ball game. It feels like I ain't even stunned. It's like it feels like a turbocharger is installed in this mug. From the low end torque is like, it literally jerks you back in the seat. My homie 300 pounds, and I was just punching the gas, and that boy was jumping back in the seat. I wish I filmed it, but I didn't, because you know I don't vlog everything, but what I just did was just for y'all guys fun. But yeah, man, thank y'all for tuning in this video, Life with D Black. Comment something you want to see in the next video, or just stay tuned, like I say, because I got something coming on the way. Thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. Subscribe, man. Enjoy the video, like the video. Yeah, man, I appreciate all y'all subscribers, my trolls, and my ninja watchers. Thank y'all all supporting the channel. We on the way to 400. I say 400. We on the way to 400. Thank y'all again. Till next video, Life with D Black. Play ball. Peace.